So for today's Father's Day, and Papa, happy Father's Day. We're each going to wish you a happy Father's Day and share a special memory or thought about Papa today. Today is June 15th, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
2014.
Mm-hmm.
And Papa.
A very special day, which is Father's Day.
Yes. So, Papa, I will start by saying that you've always been a very patient father, and you're a very warm and wonderful grandfather. And so, on Father's Day, I think it's a wonderful time to honor you for all the years of both being a father and a grandfather to this family. And I will turn it over to your first granddaughter, Olivia Jane.
Well, Papa has been a very funny and nice grandfather.
What are some things that what are some special memories that you have of Papa?
I have this special memory when I think I was 2 years old, and I went to San Diego. I stayed at their house, and I think it was the first time at San Diego. Was it the first time at San Diego?
I don't know. Let's just move it along.
Well, anyway, I think it was the first time at San Diego, and
With Papa?
I
With
had
Papa?
my second
Papa.
Jack, what's your favorite?
See,
Can-
Bobo.
Don't do that. Can you say bow bow?
Bobo.
Can you say I love you, Papa?
I said Papa.
Okay, and back to Olivia's memory. Yes?
That was the end of my memory.
What was, I don't even know what your memory was. You went to San Diego and?
I have my birthday.
Okay, well, can you just say some nice things about Papa?
I love Papa. He was the best. He's funny. He jokes around a lot. I really like the thing where you did up high, down low, on the side, in the hole, and then you got my finger in the hole.
Okay, great. Let's bring it over to Quoco Bird. Come on over here, Quoco Bird. Okay, Chloe.
I like Papa
Mm-hmm.
because he is nice and he's funny and he's Bobo and he makes me laugh.
He makes you waff. All right. Good. And of course, the daughter-in-law needs to say something as well. Papa, thank you so much. You have always been so wonderful with the kids, and between you and Mimi, it has always been just great to have you there as a resource to watch the kids. And Papa, you're always so patient. I remember the last time we went over to Balboa Park or the carnival, and you're just kind of sitting around waiting for the merry-go-round to be over and doing the bumper cars, and I think I was a little merciless with you on the bumper cars there, but I really appreciate it. You've always been a good sport about things, and we love you for it. So happy Father's Day. Hope you're having a good day.